We're really trying to make it easier for you to find inspiration, to find different ideas that you can implement, and success as you garden. And one of the things we've done is set up 6 different containers with various plants that are all labeled and what they do. So this first container I'd like to show you is the butterfly garden. And there's a sign in it that says what all the different plants are and where you can find them around the business. The center of the container is a lantana tree, and then around it we've got various other plants. The yellow Gabbera daisy, there's a dianthus, a heliotrope, which has a beautiful purple flower, lovely smell, and unfortunately is not blooming right now. This fired up coral dipladenia, this pink Gomphrenia, monarch magic ageratum. Butterflies absolutely love this thing. Meteor showers verbena. This is an upright version of verbena. And then finally, the ostromeria. All wonderful plants that butterflies love. Next up is the red, white, and blue garden, and we thought this was appropriate because we are celebrating 250-year anniversary of our country, as well as 50 years of Ebert's growing flowers. These are all the different red, white, and blue options available in this container, and certainly there's a lot more around the village. As you can see, there's red and white Gabbera daisies, there's this euphorbia, diamond snow, some Tradescantia, and Senecio angel wing, trailing verbena, there's some more monarch magic ageratum, and then white and red mandevilla. All great plants for a red, white, and blue garden. Next up is the Hummingbird Garden. Hummingbirds love brightly colored tubular flowers, and certainly these will give the hummingbirds that. Front and center, we've got a hibiscus tree. In the center, we've got 3 different Cuphea that hummingbirds really love. This one here is the sweet talking lavender splash, vermillionaire, and the sweet talk red. Around the edges, we've got the Bluephoria dipladenia, the beautiful locust vine, which is not blooming yet, diasia, which is also not blooming. Then we've got lantana, which the hummingbirds just go nuts for, Terenia. There you have the Hummingbird Garden. Out this cut flower garden, front and center, we have a sunflower. It's the Suncredible Saturn sunflower, and then around it are all the other colorful flowers. There's the Gabbera daisy, the ping pong, pink Gomphrenia, there's a ranunculus. You might notice a couple of petunias. These are not good cut flowers, as we all know, but we wanted to spice up the container a little bit. Some Lisianthus, those will bloom in a while, not sure how long. Then we've got more Gabbera daisies, the Mystic Illusion dahlia, more Lisianthus, that beautiful pink Gabbera daisy, and then another ranunculus flower. Look at that thing. Tucked in there also, if you want to add some to the bouquet, there's a baby tut grass, and then on the other side are the blue arrows, also a type of grass. So there are the cut flowers. All of us are concerned about our little winged friends that help us out so much in so many ways that we don't even see. This is a really good container for the pollinators, and especially in spring, it's good to have flowers out for the bees to find when they come out of dormancy. There's some daisies here, got to have some lantana, and then of course this year you may have seen the Japanese pansies. These are just sensational flowers. It's a double pansy flower with ruffled edges, absolutely beautiful, and the bees will love those. There's also osteospermum, sunflower, Marguerite daisy, which is not blooming. Center stage here is sweet talking red Cuphea. Next to it is Angelonia, which will get about 18 or 20 inches tall and will add a nice center to this container. The Guara will add a wispy look to it with a lot of pink flowers, and the bees just really like that a lot. So there is your pollinator garden. Every year we have lots of new varieties of plants, and this last container features just a few of them. Over on one side here, we have the charged up key lime fring coleus, the firehouse violet vortex verbena, and then many other plants around it. It'll be really neat to see them grow and bloom and follow along on the progress of them. Have it, the 6 containers that we have set up to make it easier and more inspiring for you. I hope that you can visit soon.